Now, newsman Dennis Daly presents his unique look at current events in another of his wide-ranging daily video blogs.
Hi, and thanks again, everybody. And as you can tell, my voice sounds better. But it's been about a week and a half. I've had to take days off from work. But it seems that everyone here in Palm Springs has some kind of cold. And you know, no matter how hard you try to prevent getting sick, it's almost inevitable. But I should point out we shouldn't confuse the cold with flu and other worse things. Technically, the common cold is called nasopharyngitis. The symptoms include, in varying degrees, coughing, sore throat, runny nose, sneezing, and sometimes fever. The miseries can last well over a week. Tell me about it. Some of the lingering symptoms can last 3 weeks. There are 200 varieties of the common cold, and sometimes, as I found out this time around, your sinuses can become involved, and people often have eye problems. How do you prevent the common cold? Wash your hands a lot. But it's funny, in the weeks before I got sick, I was washing my hands 6 times a day. Oh, and one other thing, the cold isn't caused by cold weather. So don't believe it when people warn you to bundle up, or you'll get sick. So the bottom line is, if you're hacking or snooting or phlegming or whatever, just don't do it on somebody else. I'm Dennis Daly with your daily news update.